1, go! Nani kama mwanaume? Lazima mnasema tunataka equal. Yes. Kaza pita hawa.
And also for us, the race was a bit challenging, but we earned an advantage being our home ground. And so far, we also knew the route that we were taking. But basically, teamwork was the key thing.
It's safe to say that without rangers, we would not have biodiversity. So this challenge is to just raise awareness of that fact and, you know, raise the support for their work, whether it's financial or morale-wise.
But the beauty of this wildlife rangers is that everybody is a winner, because we remind ourselves that we run together, we work together, we protect together, because our wildlife needs us. And what we want to say is thank you to our supporters, and also to encourage the wildlife rangers, continue doing the great work you do.
Lewa,